What is up, you guys? It's Delicia back with another mother freaking video for y'all today. And as y'all can tell by the title, and as I can see by my background, we moved into our new apartment. So with that being said, you guys will be getting an apartment tour. And if I'm whispering, I'm so sorry, but my son is taking a nap right now. So what I need to go ahead and do is grab my microphone so y'all can hear me. So give me 1 second while I grab my mic. All right, y'all should be able to hear me. I do have the washer and I have the dishwasher running in the background. So I'm sorry if y'all hear that, but let's go ahead and get into this apartment tour. So as y'all know, your girl has to start with the front door. This is the front door behind me. And then as you walk in, there is a coat closet. You got the coat closet, for your necessities. And then, the little area for your shoes. And then when you turn, it's the beautiful kitchen. And this apartment is lived in, so I am so sorry that y'all see things. My lunch is on the counter, whatnot. This is realistic, so I don't really care. Anyways, this is our beautiful kitchen. You walk in, dishwasher's going, microwave, stainless steel appliances. I fucks with that. Then you have our beautiful laundry room. Let's just take a moment to admire how huge, and again, excuse the mess, we're living. You know what I'm saying? We just moved in here, so y'all know we gotta wash clothes and whatnot. But just take a look. Just take a look at how big it is. Like, I can walk in and it's still room. I'm still walking in here. I'm still walking in this bitch. I'm still walking in this bitch. I'm still walking in this bitch. Like, what? Like, what? And the washer and dryer is just huge, y'all. The washer and dryer is freaking huge. Yeah. Next, we have our beautiful dining room. This is the beautiful dining room. Ceilings, I believe, are 10 feet. But this is the dining room right next to the kitchen. Then you've got the front. And then we have our living room. And obviously, we don't have any furniture yet. We've only been in here for like 3 days. But we do have a couch in storage that we're going to get out. And then we plan on getting more furniture as well. But this is the living room. Very spacious. If y'all see my first ever apartment tour, this is basically like an upgrade, like an extra bedroom. Sorry, I dropped my mic, but yes, it's like an extra bedroom. Well, y'all don't even know yet, so let me not spill the beans. But yeah, it's the living room and then the balcony. We're not gonna go out there, but it's beautiful, beautiful third floor vibes. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna go into our first bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. The first bathroom, y'all. This is my son's bathroom / daughter's, my boyfriend's daughter's. So you walk in, it's the regular, it's lived in. We got children, come on. But you have your shower, tub. The tub is a pretty big size. Some toys for my son's bath last night, some diapers, and then there is a closet. You have to close the first, like the bathroom door. There's a closet door behind here, so, and it's just some things in there for my man because this is technically his bathroom as well. So yeah, so now we can go into this. I don't know if this would be considered the first bedroom, but this is my son's room. And like I said, he's taking a nap, but he's taking a nap in my bed. I'm not gonna make him sleep on the floor, but he did sleep there last night on the floor. So yeah, This is my baby's room. Let me back up because y'all can't even see how huge the room is for real. So you walk in, turn. This huge room, like I wish I could see it in person, but like maybe it's the windows that makes the room bigger. But like, oops, this room is big. This is gonna be the kids' room. We got a little bit of clothes in here. He got hella clothes. We gotta just go through and stuff. His TV, basket full of clothes. So yeah, that's my baby's room. Now that y'all saw my baby's room, y'all saw the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, the balcony, the washer and dryer room. It's now time to see the master bedroom. Like I said, we've been moved in for like 3 days, so don't judge it. Just enjoy the content, okay? But, as y'all can see, my son is asleep on the bed. The master bath. Obviously, we still gotta get curtains and whatnot. But yeah, I've been organizing my stuff all morning. So all my drawers just kind of organized the way I want them to be. Our tub is way bigger than the first bathroom. It's really tall too. And then we got our closet. Still going through everything. And some of these room lights have yellow lights. I'm not digging that entirely, but it's okay. But that was the apartment tour, you guys. I am just feeling so blessed and so highly favored because, as y'all know, we were experiencing eviction and we were living in an Airbnb for 2 months. Well, Airbnb hopping. So we were living in Airbnbs for 2 months and we didn't think we would get approved anywhere. First place we applied to denied us. Nobody would accept us. We asked everybody, like, will y'all accept us if we have this, this, and that on our rental history? Everybody was like, no, you can't have this, you can't have that. So we didn't know what we was gonna do. We thought we was gonna be living in Airbnbs for a couple years. God came through like he always do, and he blessed us with a beautiful home. And this is the apartment we wanted. Like, if y'all saw our Springdale apartment, this is the apartment we wanted, like, after we lived there. So I just feel so blessed that we were able to get what we wanted. And I'm so ready to share like my new space with you guys and our new videos and just create new content in this beautiful space. I'm so excited and I hope you guys are as well. If you made it to the end of this video, because I think I am ending it now, I do want to thank you for making it this far. And if you're not subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe because, babe, the content is going to be getting so much better. As you can see, your girl got a little bit of new equipment. She got a microphone and whatnot. So Make sure you subscribe, tap in, and hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm posting again. And without further ado, y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.